The main factors that influence the risk of Legionella causing a problem can be considered under the following headings. 1. The presence of ideal conditions for bacteria growth. 2. The nature of water delivery in terms of whether it's in a spray or mist form. And thirdly, the nature and vulnerability of those people that may be exposed. Now let's deal with these in turn. Firstly, the conditions. There are known certain conditions that favour the growth of the bacteria. The perfect conditions include water temperatures between 20 and 45 degrees C. They prefer stagnant or slow-moving water, and they need a source of nutrients to feed on, such as sediment, sludge, scale, even rust. Factors such as water storage and delivery temperatures, the condition of the pipework and plant, and prolonged periods when the system or parts of it aren't used are all really irrelevant factors. It's also necessary to consider parts of the system through which water doesn't flow regularly, even during normal operations, maybe such as dead legs in pipework and some outlets that aren't used that often. The latter are often called little used outlets. Secondly, let's look at the nature of delivery. As the route of entry into the body for the bacteria, as we said, is inhalation, and the droplets need to penetrate fairly deep into the lungs, then those parts of the system that produce sprays or mists present the highest risk. This would include showers, water spas and hot tubs. Cooling towers, although enclosed, also work on the principle of using fine cold water sprays to cool down the air. And some air conditioning systems also operate on a similar principle. And lastly, we need to look at the susceptibility or vulnerability of the people exposed. Although everyone's potentially at risk, some people are definitely considered more susceptible, either to the initial infection or the severity of the health effects. Now, these people would include people with weakened immune systems, existing respiratory diseases, smokers, alcoholics, and also diabetics.
Question 4. Which temperature range provides an ideal condition for Legionella bacteria to multiply? 20 to 45 degrees C, 45 to 100 degrees C, 0 to 20 degrees C, -5 to 25 degrees C. Click on the Next button below to answer the question.